As explained, Django has this feature called Models, which allows us to write Python code and work with Python classes, as you will see, and Django will under the hood then construct these SQL queries. Therefore, we can focus on our data and our business logic and not on writing those low-level queries, and we therefore also don't have to learn SQL as a new language, which we of course don't really want to do here. Instead, with models, the idea is simple. We'll just define data models, which basically means that we'll create classes in Python, and then we use those classes or objects based on those model classes to run common operations. And Django will then create the SQL queries for us. Now that's very abstract, and therefore, finally, after all that theory, let's dive back into some code and let's create and use some models. That doesn't sound like a bad idea, I guess.